me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
Boom, so right now, my G's them want to go on I pray. It's a new vlog, it's a new day, and the computer still not fixed yet, but as I said, I'm going to try send this to my phone and buffle it out because it's hell. To edit it on my phone, it's stressful. But phone I'm going to do it. So right now, I'm going to know what I'm going for the day. Just journey with me. I'm going to kind of a little tour of the lounge I have in my apartment, you know what I mean? New York living. This is a dance room. You know what I mean? This is a dance room, so you know you have mirror right around, no matter where you look, it's a dance room. You know what I mean? And there you have me right there, my G's. Yeah. So, further out the dance room now, you have the gym. That's why when I know I look so sexy, I look so good. Hello. Because we have my own gym. Forward out here, so now I'm showing you what I'm going. I think a DB apartment I live in. This right here is actually the media room. See the projector there? The controls and everything. When games and them something that go on more while, I in here some day I watch games. You know what I mean? This is my little getaway, this is my little. When you pick them and make too much noise, up here some day. I also up here some bill. Either me I watch, mostly up here so when basketball game are going, like finals are going, I call Pink them and the whole we just there so and we just in here all our vibes and we build. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, enough for in here so now. Boring. Right now, come out. You know, I be kids in my house. So we have the kids room, the playroom. You know what I mean? This is the playroom right here. More while me I watch TV and them I play church or read a book or them I do whatever, Far out. You don't know you can wash up there so you have microwave, you have everything. This is the lounge. More while me just out here so sit down just nod and nothing. Just come out here and relax and wine. And then out here so it kinda bright, but me I tell you, everybody don't know so I live on Mount Vernon already. It's no secret and nothing to hide. And me basically I have a view. And when I say me have a view, I mean I have a wonderful view. You can already see behind me already. But pretty place. Welcome to Mount Vernon. Over there you have New Rochelle. All heap of people know them tall up building there in New Rochelle. You know what I mean? Tall up New Rochelle. You have the park right there. Yeah, prime location. Park there right there, so. It's a view. It's a view where more while you just out here so just a bill. You know what I mean? Me just bill out here more while. See all the water fountain there. Me tell you, it's beautiful, people. It's gorgeous. And there's a school right there. And there's a school right there. Prime location. Prime location. The view is everything. Trust me. Everything. The view is everything. Right now, be a breeze. And we are up. We're very, very high up. You know what I mean? And you then in the gym I work out on the treadmill and you see the whole place. And we can see right around Mount Vernon, the whole of Mount Vernon. That's New York City. Me legit can walk out of my house and just forward up here, so, and me I see the city. Me legitly can just sit down and pray. The skyline in the city is beautiful. Me I tell you, the view up here, so, it's crazy. Me not gonna show now each one, but me used to live in the building. The building is the first building me move in. My father foreign, the building right there, so. Believe it or not, at 21 floors the building they have. 21 floors, 3 different elevators. And me used to live on the top floor, 21 floor. Yeah. Why? Because it's breathtaking. You know what I mean? Up here so it's just me like a getaway from everything. Being nice I make downstairs. I just do up here so I get to it. Me in the lounge I watch something on the big screen in the theater room, or I just the right here so I watch something in the room, you know what I mean? And all the people that watch this right now, one might know my building. And I might want to forward my building. And one I'm gonna try forward up here so. But the thing is, without this, when you can make it in the building if you pass downstairs and all them doors and everything. But to make it to the 14th floor, you have to have one of them chip here. The elevator can't come up here unless you scan one of them chip here. And a joke meds. But I press the elevator for go down. Today, I'm about to link up with the tattoo artist and him do this. Dreamcatcher, him do this, you know what I mean? Him do 2 of my tattoo them. Him do tattoo for Chabas already. Him do tattoo for Prince Pine already. Him do Sanka tattoo. Him do be a tattoo. So I have an idea today, a tattoo idea what I want to get. So I'm about to link up with him today and pitch the idea to him and see what kind of magic him can match up and like design it differently. It's an idea when I see on Instagram. I saw one of my bridging them from high school do it and it's a cool tattoo, so we're gonna remix it. We're gonna, yeah, a bad tattoo, but we're gonna do that. So basically, I'm going in Bronx right now if you come link me. So when you link me, we're just gonna match it up and so I can go on. Mad move, big up me Jesus, right now we out. So flag we're right about now, remember me just showing you my 2 tattoo them and showing you the mastermind behind them. He's right here. Black version in the building. 6. You know what I mean? Make them know what them can follow you right now, real quick, Instagram.
Bronx, New York.
Tell people say your body's tattoo artist in a New York.
Work speak for itself.
It speak for itself. Me tell them say from Pine, go down to Chabas, to Sanka, to me, everybody, dog. Y'all in Paris, same way. Yeah. But me go drop up in page, Instagram page, so you can go check him out. If you don't live in the Bronx, just DM in Brooklyn, Queens, any one of the boroughs them. You know what I mean? Just run up in them DM ladies. I don't go beg no tattoo now, you know. Don't go beg no tattoo to pay the money, alright? Yeah, but there we are doing for the vlog. So check him back out now. Some G's right now I'm there. My book bag, my laptop in my book bag. I can't do this no computer thing no more. Apple charge me an arm and a leg and I need my arm for all this and I need my leg for walk. That was corny. But yeah, today I just go. I wake up early today, right now around 9 o'clock. And basically I go hit up every store and say okay and fix it. I need to fix my laptop today. Things need to get fixed today. So right now, we're going to journey. We're going to eat up every single thing in the store, except Apple. Yeah. Journey. Over there, Fordham Road. Think over this. So.
What a pizza.
So we have pass PC Richards.
What a pizza.
Pink I go look pizza.
10 o'clock in a Ford.
And it's early and we're there, so we are the road.
10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You feel nice, man.
You feel cool and nice.
We're on the American breeze.
Today we are search. We have a couple things we need to get. So, yeah. Oh wow, musical glass.
Well, you have to get a close up. We'll do a close up.
Yo, music in there.
It's mad here. We behind the office, I'm sorry.
How you speak of it?
Yo, see if them can hear you. Them can hear you. Bring it up closer. I don't need a headphone there.
Yeah, which one speaker the on him? You know this bad. Radiation this.
No, it's mad enough.
Bad, you're afraid.
You don't need enough.
But I tell him something.
I feel like I'm in a movie. Yo, we need this for the airport, dog.
Yeah, mother, when I go to school, mother tell him to prescribe glass. I was have somebody that tell me what like.
I can't hear you, you know? Jesus, they would have think I'm mad. Yo, they would have think I'm mad, dog. You mad enough? How much it cost?
The first year.
I don't want to have it. Yo, make it stop. Make it cheap.
Oh, I think they are buying empanadas.
2 chicken, man. 2 chicken. Mira. 2 chicken.
But I 4 of them end up buying. What you call?
Empanadas.
Empanadas.
I'm like beef patty. I'm not meat patty.
Spanish beef patty.
2.
Yeah, we're going to mash it up. Go ahead. Yeah, empanadas with their cover. Of course. No, bad.
Bad?
You're bad, you're afraid. No, bad. You're bad. You're bad.
We are look up your circle?
Yeah. It's warm.
Want a shoes kebab now? Want a shoes kebab? Man, I say mango for $1 there.
Where? Dollar mango.
What's the mango? We don't want to solve any doing.
$1 mango.
Come like a market with it.
Yeah, be nice going so now, you're not going to hear it. So we are checking back with them. It look like it's going to rain.
And them say 82.
82 degrees. I just buy a MacBook charger.
I like your tired, my friend. Natural.
The man down here give me a trouble at Forum Road.
Tell Famous to go buy some mango. The man don't want to buy no mango. I want to show them how pretty the mango them.
You know, it's a pretty mango carry worm.
Yeah, man, I say same like a girl.
Yeah. Right now, we don't even know if we get no ticket because we never put no money in our meter.
Never put no money in the meter.
So, we are go back here now, go see what going on graduation, everybody. Bless up yourself on your graduation, you know what I mean?
My girl just passes with a belly, a blessing me, I go get no ticket in the car.
No ticket in the car, we made it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
far. Ticket the them people would have laughed at for it from right now. They would have laughed.
They don't laugh, man. Man, they can't laugh. Yeah, man, my driver. Alright, so.
Nothing doing.
No ticket. We made it. Safe and sound. Copyright, but easy. So yeah. MacBook officially up and running and now we deal with everything we have to deal with. The last thing, get a charger. Big up for them! Yo, it's so hot. Yo, graduation just gone. Everybody graduate.
La familia!
Everybody graduate. Blessings from yo, what they say the E word there in divorce.
What can me now?
Yo, this man look like him before I say my Rona look like. The man say scratch it. Scratch it and see what happens. What?
The man probably
nice them up
what they probably say? Oh, we park here so we not get the ticket.
Yeah,
have them bad mind.
Oh, you know him probably run off in key. Gonna move up film car. We can shut off the coil as we move out. Yo, it's a New York life.
Wow.
You come from places like Florida, you don't understand things like this. Because Florida parking there, literally.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. New York, as somebody move, you run down for your car if you park way up. So.
So you turn in the middle of the street. So kill on the people and Look at them, I got church.
A graduation.
A graduation. Boxer, look at me, I go up the one way. Me move on. Yo, I swear I thought I seen the car go that way. Yo, John No Star. Yo, damn.
Yo,
I want
I saw my police down there. Yo, me I check you back with you now.
I did not go up the one way.
Over put on my seatbelt. Alright, black girl. Let's move forward. So right now. Yo, my cheese, wanna see that? Wanna see if one nearly bust up all of my face because but as I'm saying before, I was rudely interrupting by this phone dropping almost mash out my face. Computer up and going in here now, me fix it today. Me tell you, so me never gonna stop until me fix it. Bless up the ping forward out with me, ping bring me everywhere possible, not for them and everywhere. With everywhere like a while. I try to get it fixed, we get it fixed and then me end up buy a new charger for it. So we officially good. We officially up and going in. Yeah, we up and going in now, man. So yeah. So what am I gonna tell you now? Oh, I just edit the vlog yeah, phone I get it cause I edit something, I record something yesterday phone. So I gonna add what we do today and just put out this so you can get it for watch for today. Big up on yourself. Remember again, you know, keep comment, cause I see the comment them are coming in and them are coming enough. Respect, blessings for that. I see like them are coming and them are coming enough. Blessings again, respect for that. I tell you they mean a lot to me. I'm loving them from the bottom of my heart to the side of my heart to the top of me. I will side my heart the pond. It sounds like over here. So I'm loving them from the bottom of my heart to the top of my heart to the side of my heart. I love them the whole of my chest. I'm gonna just say that to make sure. You know what I mean? So yeah, big up on yourself, blessings and respect again. Remember if you always leave a like, always leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, we're there. Mad move, blessings, big up me Jesus.
Big up me Jesus them, big up me Jesus them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me Jesus them, big up me Jesus them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me Jesus them, big up me Jesus them. Just having myself find some more that please them.